ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತೀನಿ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತೊಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲಿಟರಲಿ ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ನಾ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಏನೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಡನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಸೊ I'm just standing in front of you and yeah, let's start. ರೆಡಿ ಹಾಕೊಂತಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಬಾತ್ ಆರ್ ಹೇರ್ ವಾಶ್, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ರೋಸ್ಮೆರಿ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ನಾ ಈಗ ಇದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಶೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಿರರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ I'm just looking there and spraying over through my scalp. Make sure ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಿ. This is not for hair. You have to spray it for your scalp. Okay? ನಾ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ and I'll not set anything now because ನಂದು ಹೇರ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಗತ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯಾಂಡ್ರಫ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಹೇರ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಗತ್ತಾವ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ಗೆ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ AI ಫೋಟೋಸ್. ಗೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫುಲ್ ಗ್ಲೋಯಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಗುಡ್. ಟಚ್ ವುಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತವ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ನಜರ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ನಾ ಏನೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ AI ಅಂತ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನೋ ಬ್ರೋ, ನಂಗೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎಸ್ಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಐ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರೈಸರ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ಟೇಲ್, ಅದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಮಾ ಅರ್ತ್. ಐ ಲವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಗುಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ಸ್. This is my day-to-day routine ka moisturizer, or else I'll use Foxtail more, but khali agbittide. I should order it. Today I want to apply, I don't know, I'll mix up and I'll apply. Simple. ಈಗ ಅನ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಕೈಯಾಗೂ ಬ್ಲೂ ಐತಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬ್ಲೂ ಐತಿ, and this is also blue and I am wearing blue. It's not my favorite color. My favorite color is white. Pure white, because I don't know, I just love white. I love white and I slay in white. So I believe white suits me. Everybody was asking me, heng teacher aadi, why did you choose this teaching field? And yell teacher aadi, where are you working, how much is your salary? ನಂಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪಾಲಿಂತ್ರ. ಹೂ ಆಲ್ ನೋ ಮೀ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ದಿಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೂ ಡಸಂಟ್ ನೋ ಮೀ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ನಂಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡೋಗಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೈ ಪಪ್ಪ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್. He was working in 2 colleges, government college. So he completed his MA PhD in political science, and he was so curious to know about his children's life. Of course, yarigirangilla, every parents dream about their children's. So my papa was like, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಈದರ್ ಮೈ ಮಗ ನಾರ್ ಮೈ ಮಗಳು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪದವಿ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. ವೇರ್ ಐ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ನೋ ಮೈ ಕೆಪಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬೆಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ವೇರ್ ನಾ ಇಡೀ ಜೀವನ ಬರೀ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಕೂಡಬೇಕು, ನಂಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದಿನ ನಂಗೆ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ. They took an interview, then hange hinge ಏನೇನೋ ಆಯಿತು. I got selected and I was there in Hubli for 1 year. I completed my aviation, like diploma in aviation in Hubli Vision Fly. Then I got more interest in this sector, so I wanted to do a degree on it. Then I got to know there is a BTA degree. It's not there now. Now it is a BTTM, but before it was a BTA, Bachelor of Tourism Administration. So I studied it in Karnataka University, Dharwad, 3 years. We can consider it as a 4 years because 1 year went in COVID. So 4 years I was in Dharwad and my degree was 3 years. I completed that and I wasted my 1 year for my MBA seat. Lately I got my MBA seat in Pondicherry University, but before that I was like, why to waste my time, let me do masters, and later if I feel to do MBA then let's do. So all of a sudden I decided to come to Bangalore and get admitted in KLE college. So that is how it went, and I studied in KLE college campus. Of course the campus is little in the corner, but it was so good, it was so great. I have so much of memories though, and I have learned many things in practical. So yeah, and I finished my masters. Then I was like, let me take 1 year experience of industry, then let's come back to academics. And I got suggestions from my ex-faculties who all taught me before, and through my college I went to take an experience from a different trips. I worked there hardly 2 months or 2.5 months. Ashte. Why I'll tell you, because I realized if I go and work in any industry, I might not get time to study for my KSET or NET exam. So I thought, let me go for academics only, and I'll be having a lot of time, and if I go there all my teachers will be helping me through. So I chose there to go. Then one day I got call from sir. At the same time I was ill and I took a break from my ex company. From there my sir gave me a call. So, and my all procedure was done within 1 week or 2 weeks, and I got selected. So yeah, that is how it went. Now I am currently working in KLE Institute, KLE College of TTM department, Tourism and Travel Management department. So yeah, I am getting paid well for my skills, for my, like, as I'm a fresher I can't expect more. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಭಾಳ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲೂ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಭರೋಸಾ, ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಂಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದೆಮ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಾರ್ದಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ to every students over there, because I'm not impressing. That is how it worked with me, and I admire my sir more than anyone else. I really have a huge respect on sir, and he helped me through, and I'm really so thankful. If you're watching sir this, now it's time to apply my blush. This is from Swiss Beauty Cremita blush. I love this, and very affordable too, so I go for affordable prices only. Yeah, I'll take very bit. Okay, hope you all got my profession as well as how I joined and how I know my industry well. Now I'm living happily, I can say it very proudly, and my parents are happy. Mainly my father is so happy. And apart from this question, many people ask me the same question, like, why you take huge break after a video, why you will not do consistently video, why you will not make videos? Like, bro, I don't have time. I know you can say me that please take out time for the video, hardly 2 hours or 3 hours. Bro, it's very easy to tell you, bro, but it's not like that. ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ, ನಮಗೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಬ್ರೋ. ಐ ಆಸ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪಾಪ, ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಾಟರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್? He was not satisfied, by the way, from the heart. He was just like, ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಆಯಿತು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಬಿಟ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು crack your KCET and NET, and if you get a PhD seat, and if you get a doctorate, I'll be the happiest. I know parents are not satisfied, but I'll make sure once. I hope I'll do it in this year. Guarantee, definitely. I know it's very hard, but I'll do it this year. Wait and watch. I can't promise you that I'll do consistently videos and upload it on YouTube or Instagram. I can't promise you, but I try doing my best. Like being a teacher, being in that profession, it's very hard me to stand in front of camera and talk as before I do. Now it's my favorite part of makeup to apply lipstick. Both of are from Stays. This is so yummy. This is really so yummy gloss lipstick. I love this personally, and this is my day-to-day lipstick. I love this with gloss. I don't know, I love the shade. I think this is in the shade of I Am Pretty, and this is in the shade of Lush Berry. Let me apply this today. This is so good, I tell you. Glossy, yummy lipstick or lip gloss. I know I'm a blush and lipstick obsessed person, and this is how my makeup looks. I just applied moisturizer, sunscreen, blush and lipstick. That's it, because I don't want to apply anything more in the sunny humidity, because waste of my makeup products. And I look beautiful when I look natural. I believe that. So yeah, I hope I'm looking good. I don't want to set my hair, just I let it dry later. And many of you asked me, try doing consistently content. Try doing. I'll try my best doing consistently. And yeah, today's video is done. I hope you liked it, and I hope you got all my answers. And if you want to know more about the tourism industry, please let me know and comment it down. The tourism. So let's grow tourism. It's all my love towards my industry. I love tourism. I love traveling. And Bajana Keratidri, why you're not traveling now? It's been 3-4 months. It's a good observation, huh? People, you observe me. Why Pooja is not traveling? Why Pooja is not posting? Why Pooja is so silent? Oh God, man, my fan base, you're so, and hard for you people who are very concerned about me and my life. Lots of love, and yeah, I'll travel. I don't know I'll get enough time to travel or not. As before, let me travel, but can I give you one spoiler? Yeah, I am traveling. Guess where? Comment it down. Just guess. Let's talk about it in the next video. See you. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of love.